My experience being an interior design student at the Hillier College of Architecture and Design has been amazing. So interior design at NJIT specifically we always say it's more interior architecture. So interior design has some misconceptions that it's just picking paint colors and more of the decoration side. While we do have an importance to aesthetics and visuals, we look a lot more at the sensory environment. So we do learn about acoustics and HVAC and even getting down to electrical and plumbing and how does it all work and what all the little pieces are that need to come together to make a functional, beautiful space. Especially being in a creative major at a STEM school has been really interesting because we have the color theory classes where we're working with watercolors and paper collage, but then we also are learning 3D modeling and multiple softwares. And how do we piece all of that together in a way that's both analog and digital? So we have our physical material samples that we're working with, but then how do we represent that in a three-dimensional way virtually? The technology here is amazing for my program. Working with VR technology, going through our own spaces and being able to put on a headset and enter a space that you designed is a feeling that I can't imagine explaining to someone I put the time in to make this and now I'm inside of it. And I know that's going to be the reality when I'm working as a professional, but in the school environment, we don't usually get to have that feeling. So having the technology here has given us that extra excitement. So we have different professors every semester that bring completely different perspectives to our projects and help us pinpoint what it is about us that makes us great and really nurture that. Semester to semester, I can see my personal growth, and that really just kind of lights the fire. It makes me want to keep going. The professors here also are constantly sending out opportunities for employment, for internships, people looking for research opportunities, and NJIT and the Hillier College in particular have a lot of connections in the neighboring cities. I think the location has been a huge bonus. Specifically for the design community, there are a lot of firms in this area, so the network is not able to be compared to any other place. But I am happy to be going into a job that hopefully I will love. I will be joining the Kimberly Group, Kimberly Newman Architects in Morristown and working as an interior designer there. I'm going to get the opportunity to work at all different stages and all different types of projects, and it's really limitless for me going in as a junior designer there. Find your passion and run with it. Put all that you have into your work and it will be good. And the better your work is, the more rewarding it will feel, and it's just a feedback loop. The better you do, the better you feel, and then the better work you continue to produce. NJIT makes interior designers.